Welcome to our quiz on so and neither. In this quiz, you'll answer 12 questions based on how to agree with positive or negative statements using these structures. Can you get all 12 right? Stay tuned till the end of the video, where I'll explain the rules to help you understand better. Let's get started. Question 1. I haven't finished my homework yet. Neither have I. Question 2. I am curious about the results. So am I. Question 3. John won't join the party. Neither will Anne. Question 4. I can't believe what just happened. I can't believe it either. Question 5. I love reading mystery novels. So do I. Question 6. Anna was excited about the concert, and so was Liam. Question 7. The kids will enjoy the trip, and so will their parents. Question 8. You didn't keep your promise, nor did you. Question 9. I enjoyed the concert last night. So did I. Question 10. I would like to visit Paris. So would I. Question 11. I haven't got any money. Neither have I. Question 12. I never eat fast food. Neither do I. Well done. That's the end of the quiz. Now let's take a closer look at the explanations. When someone says a positive statement and you want to agree, you can use so. The structure is so plus auxiliary verb plus subject. When we use so in this way, we invert the auxiliary verb and subject, and we do not repeat the main verb. When there isn't an auxiliary or modal verb in the first sentence, we use do or does in the present and did in the past. When someone says a negative statement and you want to agree, you can use neither. The structure is neither plus auxiliary verb plus subject. Neither is a negative word, like not. For this reason, the auxiliary verb after neither should be affirmative. Just like with so, the auxiliary verb must match the first sentence. We can use nor instead of neither. We can use either and to at the end of sentences to show agreement. We use to for affirmative sentences and either for negative sentences. That's it for today. Now you know how to use so and neither to agree with positive and negative statements. Keep practicing, and soon it will feel natural. See you next time.